Aloe vera and acne. Many skincare product producers today advertise and emphasize the presence of aloe vera in their products. This plant has been discovered to have several skin benefits and, as a result, it is employed in the manufacturing of skincare products. Some companies have even gone as far as designing packages with the green motif to emphasize the presence of aloe vera in the product. This has been proven by research, and the plant indeed has several health benefits, not just for the skin, but for the entire body. It can also be ingested and works wonders on a variety of ailments. People with skin problems, especially teenagers, should use this herb because it is an excellent acne treatment. That is the subject of today's video, which shows how aloe vera can be used to treat acne. Stick around to learn more. Welcome to Natural Health Remedies. Did you know that aloe vera has a lot of benefits? And do you already use it? Well, let's find out in today's video. But first, before we go on with the video, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. So comment, share, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video. Alright, let's get into it. Did you know that aloe vera has been used as a natural moisturizer for dry, irritated, or itchy skin for millennia? Its antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant qualities, in addition to its calming effects, can bring many other advantages to the skin. For example, let's take a look at eczema or dermatitis, which is a skin disorder that causes inflamed, itchy, and dry patches of skin. Eczema comes in a variety of forms. Some are brought on by allergies and irritants in the environment, while others are unknown. Eczema does not have a one-size-fits-all treatment, although several over-the-counter and prescription drugs can assist. Some people address their eczema symptoms with natural at-home remedies. Aloe vera is a popular choice because of its anti-inflammatory and wound-healing characteristics. Aloe vera has long been used to treat skin ailments such as cuts, burns, and eczema. The polysaccharides promote skin healing and growth, which may be beneficial in the treatment of eczema. Aloe vera has long been used to treat a variety of skin irritations. Fresh leaves from the plant can be broken off, the gel squeezed out, and applied straight to the skin. It's a common houseplant that you may find at any neighborhood nursery. If you don't want to grow your aloe plant, there are plenty of other possibilities. The gel from the plant is used as a foundation for the over-the-counter gels often available at stores. Aloe vera can be found in a variety of skincare products, including cleansers, moisturizers, masks, and more, just like mentioned earlier in the video's introduction. To apply aloe vera, put a sufficient amount of aloe gel to the damaged region of your skin and rub it in gently. Because the gel can be sticky, wait until it is dried before dressing. Aloe vera gel can be applied 2 to 4 times each day for relief, but your doctor may give you precise instructions on how much and how often to apply it. One of its many beneficial features is anti-inflammatory properties, which is why it's used to treat several skin conditions. As a result, aloe vera may assist in the reduction of eczema. When applied to red, inflamed pimples, aloe vera can help relieve sensitivity and pain. Aloe vera has wound healing properties, therefore, it may aid in the healing of open acne lesions. You've almost definitely used aloe gel to treat sunburn at some point in your life. Aloe can help with a variety of skin irritations, including acne, in the same way that it can help with sunburn pain. Aloe vera gel or an aloe-based moisturizer can help if your acne treatments have left your skin dry and itchy. You will be less likely to stop using your acne treatment because your skin will be more comfortable. Despite some promising preliminary research, aloe vera is still a long way from being a reliable acne cure. Only a small amount of research has been done so far. At the time, aloe appears to do little more than alleviate irritation and redness. This can, of course, aid in the treatment of inflammatory acne. Acne, on the other hand, is triggered by more than just inflammation. Acne can be caused by dead skin cells accumulating on the surface of the skin, overactive oil glands, hormone imbalances, and even genetics. Aloe vera isn't going to help you with these problems. In addition, every pimple begins as a clogged pore. Because aloe vera does not prevent pores from clogging, it will not prevent acne from developing in the long run. However, some people might think and argue that aloe vera can be used to treat acne scars. Well, aloe vera cannot be used to heal acne scars that are depressed or pitted. They're brought on by the loss of skin tissue. Dermal fillers, laser treatments, dermabrasion, and subcision are the sole options for improving the appearance of these scars. To treat pitted acne scars, you should contact a dermatologist. Aloe vera, on the other hand, may aid in the fading of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or dark acne scars that stay after the acne has healed. Aloin, a component of aloe vera, is responsible for this action. Aloin is a natural depigmentation agent that helps to brighten dark areas on the skin, and it's found in abundance in aloe vera. Because aloe vera lowers inflammation, it may also aid in the prevention of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Aloe vera isn't a necessary component of any acne therapy. Aloe vera products, on the other hand, may be beneficial if your skin has been inflamed and dried out by acne medicines, or if you have a rash. I want to underline that each aloe gel is unique, so be sure to check the ingredient list carefully. You might be surprised to learn that the aloe you bought only has a minimal amount of aloe vera gel in it. However, don't expect aloe vera to address all of your issues. It won't. To observe true improvement in your skin, you'll still need to utilize a traditional acne treatment like topical retinoids or benzoyl peroxide. Before adding aloe vera gel to your acne treatment strategy, see your physician if you're on any prescription acne drugs. Here are some DIYs you can perform to make yourself a cure for your skin condition. Antibacterial qualities of aloe vera can aid in the control and reduction of acne-causing germs. Cinnamon and honey are two more compounds that have been researched and proven to have similar effects. Combining all three for an at-home spa treatment will increase your chances of having smooth, acne-free skin. So, how should you do it? Follow me. Begin by mixing 2 tablespoons of pure honey with 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera. The mixture should be spreadable but not runny. Before applying the mask to your face, mix with 1/4 tablespoon of ground cinnamon and sit back and relax for 5 to 10 minutes as the mask does its magic. After you've applied it, give it a good rinse. You can make another skincare cure for yourself in just a few minutes. Because tea tree oil is a proven antibacterial source and acne-fighting factor, combining it with aloe vera can have a noticeable effect. This is not a mixture you should apply on your face because tea tree oil is quite strong and acidic. Mix aloe vera with purified water and 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil as a basis before gently applying the combination to your face. Rinse and rub your skin dry after about a minute. Within a short period of time, you should notice a difference, not just a transformation, but also a better skin complexion and overall wellness. Aloe vera is an excellent treatment for a variety of skin conditions. Although it has not been scientifically proven to treat these disorders once and for all, it has been demonstrated and proven that it can lower the severity of symptoms. Even for individuals who have planted aloe vera near them, the plant provides more benefits than they require. After being planted, aloe vera requires very little, if any, maintenance. It will develop without difficulty as long as it is placed in a well-lit area, and it will be ready to use in no time. Aloe vera has been grown on a huge scale in various countries to sell to companies that make skincare products and even beverages. Don't be surprised to find that aloe vera flavored yogurt exists. Yes, they do exist. Desserts have also been made with it. It has taste-improving benefits in addition to its healing properties. Now that we've arrived at that point, I'd like to encourage everyone to use this amazing plant to make our bodies stronger and healthier. It might not cure acne, but it will certainly lessen its effects. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Did you like the video? Have you ever used aloe vera to lessen your acne effects? Comment down below. Let's engage. Also, if you're interested in more videos like this or other natural health remedies, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.